In this question, we're looking to find which solution has the highest pH. There's a few things we can do to help us with this problem. Some of the species present are spectators. For example, the sodium ion does not really influence the pH of a solution. So if I cross off my sodium ions out of all this, we know they're not going to influence the pH up or down. Other species that can behave as more of a spectator are ones that won't hydrolyze with water. For example, conjugate bases of strong acids. Well, HCl is a strong acid, so the chloride ion would be the conjugate base to that strong acid. That's not going to change the pH here. And nitrate is the conjugate base to the strong acid of nitric acid, so it's not going to affect anything either. This leaves us with the following ions that could influence the solution. We have cyanide ion, we have sulfite ion, and we have ammonia ion. We know that SO3 with water will go to form HSO3 minus 1 plus OH. We know that NH4 plus water will go to form that. And we know cyanide plus water will go to form HCN plus OH minus. Now, out of these three options, we can see the ammonia is behaving as an acid. So I'm going to make a small assumption that the ammonia is not going to be making a high pH solution. So what that leaves us left with to consider for who would have the highest pH or the most basic are the cyanide and the sulfite. On our Ka table, we know that the lower down something is on the right side of the table, the stronger a base it is. I can find cyanide lower on the table. Therefore, I can make the assumption that this reaction will result in more hydroxide, meaning this first solution would have the highest pH because it is the most basic of all the ones present.